Thank you for taking the time to take a look at Distru. Today we're going to be diving deep into the CRM capabilities that we offer. If you are unfamiliar with CRM, it stands for Customer Relationship Management. Distru offers a ton of sales tools that ultimately will allow your sales team to take that next step forward and ultimately crush sales goals moving forward. So let's dive into this. First and foremost, let's take a look at the map interface that Distru offers. Within this map interface, your sales team can type any specific location and quickly it will populate with all of the companies that you wish to sell products to in that particular area. What your sales rep can then do is plan a very efficient route based on what they see on this map interface. When they ultimately decide that they want to make a route and they go to a company like, let's say, East Bay Collective, this is when ultimately they will want to showcase the Distru product menu. The product menu is going to show all of the live inventory for products that you have available for sale. Your sales reps will then be able to go into a store that you sell to and actually show off the products that you have available and sell directly while they're at the store. They don't need to check with an inventory manager or anyone else on your team. They simply are empowered to check out and submit a sale while they are directly in front of the potential customer. Now, that's not always the case. Sometimes you might go to a customer and ultimately then have to sell to them later. Maybe they express interest. If that's the case, you can very quickly go to a customer's company page. And what you can do is log phone calls, meetings, emails, or notes. When you type this in, it's going to log in the activity feed, and it's going to then show an entire historical record of everything that's gone on with that particular company. It's going to not only show these notes, emails, and activity, it's also going to show sales orders, purchase orders, everything that has ever happened with this particular account that you are working with. You can then also assign tasks. So you can assign yourself to follow up with this particular company so that you ultimately are reminded in the future to go ahead and go back to that account. Now, what is a very nice and unique feature of Distru that no one else offers is the ability to see the products that this company buys the most from you, as well as the last time these products were ordered from this particular account. Having the culmination of your inventory levels, your order history with these accounts, and the products that they buy from you the most ultimately allows your sales reps to take that next step level forward and empower themselves to crush their sales numbers. Now, what we can do is take one step further back, and this is where we can see every potential customer in your Distru account. What you can do here is create custom filters in your own customizable pipeline. When you're creating a pipeline, you can track all the way from lead to sale, but it's very easy to choose which types of accounts you want to talk to and then segment your customers so that each of your sales reps are then empowered to reach out to only the people that they should be reaching out to. Last and not least is the task management within Distru. Tasks are great. They allow your sales team and anyone in your organization to stay organized and ultimately get the things done that they need to get done. So when you log into your account, you're going to see every task you need to do. And when you assign yourself a task, it's going to populate not only on your Distru dashboard, but also on your notification bell. And you can even configure it to send yourself an email. If you would like to learn more, please go to distru.com and request a demo. Someone on the Distru team will quickly get back to you and will be happy to walk you through everything that Distru offers and ultimately equip you with the powerful tools to take your business to the next level.